What's going on, guys? Back here with part 2 for the 2025 stash. One of my go-to stores in New Hampshire got some good product in, so I had to take a trip up and pick up some stuff. So let's get into it. Got 2 of these Troll 200 gram cakes, 16 shot by Hardcore Pyro. There's the effect if you want to pause and read it. Nice rack, 12 shot by Pyro Demon. This is a nice hitter. Kind of goes along with the Power Diablo cakes. Hits really hard for a 200 gram cake. There's the performance if you want to pause and read that. 24 pack of the Tiki Bombs by Great Grizzly. There's some of the effects. Got 2 packs of the radioactive rockets. Nice high quality rockets. 1 pack of the Mandarino rockets. Nice orange breaks in these. Got 2 packs of the Crucible rockets. I know they don't hit nearly as hard as the radioactives, but it's a nice, unique effect in these. Some nice Mega Willow rockets. Been looking to get these for a while. Glad she got them in. Might end up going back to pick up some more of those, and probably some more Mandarinos. And then I got 2 boxes of Flash rockets. These are a version of a strobe rocket. Seen some videos on these. Glad I could finally get my hands on them. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I love seeing everybody's stash content starting to come out for this year. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you in part 3.